Welcome back to another video. Today we will talk about the most hottest place on Earth. Can you guess which one is this place? Let me tell you, it's Death Valley. Death Valley is a desert valley in eastern California, in the northern Mojave Desert, bordering the Great Basin Desert. During summer, it is one of the hottest places on Earth, along with deserts in the Middle East and the Sahara. Death Valley is famous as the hottest place on Earth and driest place in North America. The world record highest air temperature of 134 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius was recorded at Furnace Creek on July 10, 1913. Summer temperatures often top 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius in the shade, with overnight lows dipping into the 90s degree F, mid-30s degree C. Average rainfall is less than 2 inches 5 centimeters, a fraction of what most deserts receive. Occasional thunderstorms, especially in late summer, can cause flash floods. In contrast to the extremes of summertime, winter and spring are very pleasant. Winter daytime temperatures are mild in the low elevations, with cool nights that only occasionally reach freezing. Higher elevations are cooler than the low valley. Temperatures drop 3 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, with every 1,000 vertical feet gained, approximate 300 m. Sunny skies are the norm in Death Valley, but winter storms and summer monsoons can bring cloud cover and rain. Wind is common in the desert, especially in the spring. Dust storms can suddenly blow up with approaching cold fronts. The hottest air temperature ever recorded in Death Valley, Furnace Creek, was 134 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius on July 10, 1913. During the heat wave that peaked with that record, 5 consecutive days reached 129 degrees Fahrenheit 54 degrees Celsius or above. Death Valley holds the record for the hottest place on Earth. Oddly enough, 1913 was also the year that saw Death Valley's coldest temperature. On January 8, the temperature dropped to 15 degrees Fahrenheit minus 10 degrees Celsius at Furnace Creek. The greatest number of consecutive days with a maximum temperature of 100 degrees Fahrenheit or above was 154 days in the summer of 2001. The summer of 1996 had 40 days over 120 degrees Fahrenheit, and 105 days over 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The summer of 1917 had 43 consecutive days with a high temperature of 120 degrees Fahrenheit or above. Question arises why Death Valley is so dry and why so hot. Winter storms moving inland from the Pacific Ocean must pass over mountain ranges to continue east. As the clouds rise up, they cool and the moisture condenses to fall as rain or snow on the western side of the ranges. By the time the clouds reach the mountain's east side, they no longer have as much available moisture, creating a dry rain shadow. 4 major mountain ranges lie between Death Valley and the ocean, each one adding to an increasingly drier rain shadow effect. The depth and shape of Death Valley influence its summer temperatures. The valley is a long, narrow basin 282 feet 86 meters below sea level. It is walled by high, steep mountain ranges. The clear, dry air and sparse plant cover allow sunlight to heat the desert surface. Heat radiates back from the rocks and soil, then becomes trapped in the valley's depths. Summer nights provide little relief as overnight lows may only dip into the 85 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius range. Heated air rises, cools before it can rise over the valley's mountain walls, and is recycled back down to the valley floor. These pockets of descending air are only slightly cooler than the surrounding hot air. As they descend, they are compressed and heated even more by the low elevation air pressure. These moving masses of superheated air blow through the valley, creating extreme high temperatures. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Signing out.